Score with Real Impact Group. Let me tell you what happened when our team staged your home. We can either stage a vacant home or an owner-occupied. In this case, the lovely home behind me here is an owner-occupied, so our staging team can bring in the supplemental piece of furniture, artwork, decoration to transform this home. The ultimate goal that we want to achieve here is as soon as the buyer walks in your home, the feeling they have is, wow, I want to live here, I love this space. We allow them to envision their life living in this home. So why don't you go inside with me and tour around the work that they're doing inside the home right now. So, what do you think of the transformation? Do you like it? Are you ready to allow us to transform your home and make an impact in your life? Call us and put us to work.